Hello, clean with me today. We are going to move the fridge and the stove and get underneath there. Do you have a schedule to do that? I don't. I just do it when something rolls under there and I need to get it, or when I know that it's been a long time, so I'm not sure what it's going to be like back there. But no time like the present. Let's get to it. That's why it's hard to pull out, because we have actually a book under there because this cabinet is heavy and it's starting to bow in the middle. So our solution, which is not really a permanent solution, is we put a book up there too. So that's why it's hard to pull out. I'm gonna try and remove this book. The best use for a dictionary these days. And now, should just roll out. That does not look very good at all. We've got dog hair, lots of blueberries, lots of dog hair. That's the color our kitchen used to be when we first moved in. And when we painted the kitchen gray, we never repainted that. Yuck. Okay, let's get at it. No time like the present. That's it, I'm finished, clean. It probably took less than 5 minutes from start to finish. Why do we keep making these jobs bigger in our heads than they actually are? Remember all that chatter in your head, oh, don't have time, it's gonna take too long, it's a big job. It's not. Less than 5 minutes and I'm done. Let's move on to the stove and see how nasty dirty it is under the stove. Back goes the thesaurus and the dictionary. That is not a long-term fix to this problem, but it addresses it right now. Sometimes that's all you got. Fixed it for now. Let's move on to the stove. There we go. Oh, again, our wonderful paint job where we didn't paint down below here, but the floor. Oh my goodness, we've got popcorn, blueberries. Again, we must have had a blueberry problem. And the dog hair. Nasty, nasty, nasty. But let's get at it and clean it. Shouldn't take long. Now on the edge of the counter is nasty too. If I was thinking correctly, I would have done that first before I did the floor, but I didn't, so I'll do it now. At least it'll be done. Of course, there's two sides. This other side isn't actually as bad, but let's get it. Quick rinse of the floor of anything that got on the floor. Now this is embarrassing. The side of the oven. I am not sure what on earth happened there. But don't beat yourself up. Don't be judgmental. Don't be hard on yourself. Be kind to yourself. It's gross, and I'm going to clean it now. Better late than never. I purchased a scrub mummy. Never used it before. Don't know how it works. Don't know if it works well, but I'm going to use it on this and give it a try. Now there may be some way to move this top up. I don't know what it is, so I'm not going to use that as procrastination. I'm not going to use that as a reason. I am just going to take my cloth and a knife and get in there as best I can. Now there's lots of times in the past where I would have waited, procrastinated, used that as an excuse to not clean in there because I didn't have the right tools. I couldn't take it apart. It wouldn't be perfect. It's not perfect. but it's done. And I'm happy with it. And now on to the other side. Oh, so the other side is horrible too. My goodness. Well, let's get it done. No point beating myself up. It's not going to get it done any quicker by being mean to myself. Be kind. Just for the record, I am liking the scrub mummy. You can scrub it with the hard and then sponge. I like it. Never tried it before, day one, and I kind of enjoy it. Let's not be perfectionists. Let's get in there with whatever we can. Just get it done. Good is better than never. Don't let perfectionism stop you. Done. Took a little bit longer than the fridge, but didn't take long at all. Didn't realize the sides were so nasty, but now it's done. It's hidden, but I know it's clean, so I'm gonna feel good when I come into the kitchen. I should probably do it on a schedule, but I don't. You're not perfect, I'm not perfect. It is what it is. But for today, this is a win, and I'll take it.